All of the workers on this site are confined space entry trained. Our confined space entry training program starts with employees being enrolled into an 8-hour confined space course. Once they have passed that confined space course, then they begin to work their way through the job sites and familiarization and being able to taught how to use our specific equipment. In addition to that initial confined space training, we conduct company training every 2 years to make sure we stay updated on the ins and outs and all the changes that could possibly happen in confined space. Whenever one of the guys are getting into the confined space, we like to make sure that we have all this proper safety equipment set up. Basic safety equipment you're seeing inside this one is we have a tripod set up with the fall restraint, safety retrieval on top of it. We have a manhole gate set up with the chains across the front and the lock-in on the back. And then you're going to see the entrant getting ready right now. Well, he has his full safety gear set up at this point. He has his harness that's properly inspected and properly hooked up. He also has his air monitor on his harness right now to make sure that the air is tested properly. That way, if something goes wrong, he's able to be notified immediately and be able to get out of the hole. He's got his gloves, he's got his safety glasses, he's got a respirator, and he also has his hard hat to make sure he's protected from anything falling. Right now, what he's doing is he's inside the confined space. He's checking around and making sure that there's no missed areas inside there. This is a part of our QA/QC process. This is the final process inside of a manhole lining process that we have here. We want to make sure that when we walk away from this structure, it's the best shape the structure's ever been in. We want to make sure this structure is better now than it was when it's brand new, which is saying a whole lot for structures like this, because this structure specifically, we had about 7 to 8 full buckets of wall that collapsed and fell in from this one. H2S was very, very rough in this hole and did a lot of degradation to it. So therefore, we're working our way around. We're putting some rehab inside of it now to make sure that we don't have to worry about it in the future.